Hello everyone. Today we'll be focusing on simultaneous equations. The first equation we'll be looking at reads x plus 6 equals to 2y. That's going to be our first equation because we know with simultaneous equations, we are given two equations and then we find our third equation. So this is equation 1, equation 2. Now for our equation 3, we're going to use the first equation because it's easier for us to make x the subject of the formula here instead of using the second equation where we would have to divide and really just kind of find our way into getting x or y to be alone. Okay, so that's going to be 2y minus 6. Now we're going to substitute equation 3 into equation 2. Because now remember, we take the equation that we didn't derive equation 3 from, which is equation 2. Now for the substitution. So we take equation 2. We could take this equation where we see x, we substitute 2y minus 6. So that's going to be 2y minus 6 squared. 2 into 2y minus 6y equals to 3y squared. Now with this, most students usually forget to put the squared, or they would forget whatever variable that comes after the x, right? So they forget to put the y. It's very important that you are careful and you're meticulous in your calculations because one slight mistake with this, 5 marks gone, okay? So now to break this up, we know that this part, yeah, we can write it out as, right? And then we can just use our parrot-beak method to solve. Okay, so we're going to solve, and that's going to give us 4y squared minus 24, oopsie, minus 24y plus 36. If you are interested in knowing how I moved from this to this without this, please comment down below and I'll share my little secret with you guys. Okay, now for this one. We are multiplying this inside the bracket as well as this. So this is as good as saying 2y, right? If you feel like having the y outside the bracket on the other side, it's just going to confuse you. Move it over to the variable, to the numeric, okay? So 2y is going to be 4y squared minus 12y. We're going to take this, move it to the other side. Negative 3y squared equate to 0. Now we're going to add our like terms. We start with the term with the highest, with the biggest or highest power. So in this case, we have squared. So that's this here. And then like terms, and now we have 36 all alone there. Okay, so 4y squared plus 4y squared minus 3, right? So 4y squared plus 4y squared, that's 8, minus 3y, that's 5y squared. Then negative 24y minus 12y, that's negative 36y. What do we have left? 36, equate everything to 0. Now when we're here, if you know your mental maths, use it. If not, play it safe. Don't try to be a hero here. Okay, this is maths. You will fail. So just use your quadratic equation. Y, because we're solving for y, equals to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so you substitute in your variables. In this case, we know a equals to b, a equals to 5, b equals to negative 36, and then c equals to 36. Substitute, then you will find your answer, your answers, right? For those who do mental maths, again, if you want to learn how to do this, just comment down below and I'll make a video. So we'll have that 5y equals to 6, or y equals to positive 6. Then here we'll have y equals to 6 over 5. Okay, now from here, we are done solving for y. Now we have to solve for x. We take equation 3. Oh no, we use equation 3 to do that. So now we're substituting equation 3. Okay, our equation is x equals to 2y 6 over 5 minus 6. Or x equals to 2, our y is 6 minus 6. This here is 6 because 12 minus 6. Then this side will have negative 18 over 5. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.